Uh, in previous session, we have discussed about what is dynamic SQL and what are the possibilities we can do in dynamic SQL. So all those things we have discussed, and actually I have to tell this concept before the procedure concept, but unfortunately I missed that concept, like calling one function in another function and calling one procedure in another procedure. Okay, so why? Because you may get the chance of using these concepts in real time also. Okay, so that's why I want to cover all those concepts. So calling one function in another function means, so actually we have three different types of functions, like scalar function, inline table valued function, multi-statement table valued function. Okay, so I want to take one example for this. For all these functions, I will pass department number as a parameter, and scalar function has to return average salary based upon the department number. Inline table value function return department name, location based on the department number parameter, and multi-statement table value function return max salary, minimum salary, sum of salary, count. Okay, so these functions returned by multi-statement table valued function based on the department number. For all these functions, parameter is department number. Okay, so first of all, I will create those parameter, then I will explain how to call inline table value function in scalar function and how to call multi-statement table value function in scalar function. Okay. Now, first of all, I will create those functions. So create function and fn is underscore, what is that function? Average. Okay, so I am giving that function name average, and here parameter is department number integer. Syntax is return what I want to return. So I want to return average of salary. Okay, returns average salary means I want to give integer and as begin end. Okay, and I want to declare one variable which will use to store average salary integer, and select average of salary from emp where dept number equal to parameter department number. Okay, so I want to store this result into variable, and finally average, return average. So you can calculate this, you can execute this, select of 10 dbo dot, see it is returning average of salary. Okay, now I want to create inline table value function which will return department name and location based on department number. Okay, so create function fn underscore dname and location. So parameter is dept number and where integer and so it will return table as return okay. Select dname comma location from dpt where dpt number equal to parameter dpt number. Okay, and execute this and call this function select star from here you can pass 10. See, I am getting department name and location. Okay, and one more time, multi-statement table valued function. It will return max, minimum salary, sum salary, count. Okay, so what is the difference between inline table valued function and multi-statement table valued function? So inline table valued function will don't have table structure, but multi-statement table valued function will have table structure. Square multi table valued function at the rate dept number integer, and here type returns table. So the table name we should give, so I'm giving at the rate table, and here define that table structure. So here max salary, minimum salary, sum salary, count. So I'm taking these names as column names. So count is a keyword, we should not give that count like total count. So all are integers. You can give floating point also, but I am giving integer. As begin and here insert into at the rate table, and these are the column names. Now write the logic for inserting emp where dept number equal to parameter dept number. Here max of sal comma min of sal comma sum of sal comma count of 0. Okay, and after this return, execute it, take this and put it here, select star from and okay, so I'm getting this value, and here this is function. This is second function, table valued function, and this one is third function. Okay, till now do you have any doubts?